France Buying Guide's YouTube presentation. Well, it's all about France this week. I thought it might be useful to take an overall look at the country so that if you're still deciding where to buy, you can have a good basic knowledge about this wonderful country. Now, France is actually divided into 22 regions and there are no less than 96 departments. If you look at a map of France, you'll see it is more or less hexagonal in shape, and in fact, it's sometimes called l'hexagone. It's surrounded by sea on three sides. You have the Mediterranean, the North Sea, and of course the English Channel. So if you like to be close to water, you're going to be spoilt for choice. And it's bordered by no less than 8 countries. You've got Germany, Belgium, Luxembourg up in the north, and then coming down Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, the little Principality of Andorra, and also Spain. On a personal note, this really is one of the things that we love about living here. You really do feel as if you're in the heart of Europe. And I'll let you in a little secret here. Whenever we go back to England now, it feels somewhat cut off. Everything's really about perception, isn't it? And one's perception most definitely changes when you're here in France. For the better, I might add. Now, France is actually still the most visited country in the world and has the largest land area of all the EU member states. You have a choice of landscapes and obviously some wonderful rivers in all parts of the country. Each area has its own feel, its own characteristics, and we can help you decide on there if you haven't quite got that far yet. If you haven't also got a copy of our France Buying Guide, you can do so here on the website, get your own copy. We've got details in that of every area of France with some extremely useful information and tips on what each area holds for you. And it's wise to get a bit of knowledge at the beginning, I think, when you're first looking. Well, Christmas is fast approaching, and here's a little heads up for you. Looking ahead a bit to January, which isn't all that far away, we will be at the France show in Earl's Court. It's a big show, the one in January. We've got a stand there, and I will be there too with a presentation on tips about how to renovate a house in France, what to do and what not to do. I'd love to meet you, so if you can get along to Earl's Court, it's January 12th to 14th. Do so. Keep an eye open on our updated website each week for how to get your tickets for that. Well, I hope this finds you well and happy. I'm speaking to you from our now almost finished kitchen, and I will speak to you again next week. Bye bye.